Hello, Toronto! How are y'all doing today? Kamusta mga kababayan? So happy to be here in Toronto, Canada, and welcome to the 27th year celebration of Mabuhay Philippines Festival. Palakpakan naman dyan! There you go! When I say Philippines, you say Mabuhay. Philippines!
Mabuhay!
Philippines! Philippines! Alright! Thank you so much everyone for being here today. And we are so happy that Mabuhay Philippines Festival is now celebrating its 27th year, bringing on each and everyone, keeping the spirit of the Filipino community alive. Namimiss nyo na ba ang Pilipinas? Gaano kami? Sobrang miss ba? Sobrang miss. We actually have a lot of vendors around Nathan Phillips Square, so I hope you have spared your time earlier today going around and, you know, eating your favorite. I think there's kikiam in there, there's barbecue, and we also have lechon. Alright? So, also today I would like to inform everyone that if you haven't gotten a raffle ticket, Philippine Airlines is giving away a round-trip ticket to the Philippines. Sino gusto umuwi? Nako, mukhang madami. Talagang miss na miss niyo ang Pilipinas. So later on tonight, we're going to draw one lucky winner who will have the chance to go back home to the Philippines for free. And we're not only doing that today, we're also doing that again tomorrow. Alright, so today we would like to acknowledge all our sponsors because without their support, this event wouldn't be possible. We would like to thank TD Bank. Palakpakan for TD Bank. We have George Brown College, City Center Dentistry, Graceful Essence, syempre dito, bida ang saya, Jollibee! We have Skyflakes, WFG, SMDC, College of Makeup Art and Design, Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, Air Canada, we have Remitly, UMAC, CRD College of Healthcare, Robinson's Land Corporation, EZY Remit, Katinko. Sino mahilig gumamit ng Katinko dito? Yan, yung mga teenagers yan, no? Definitely. We have Starbucks, Luminous Financial, Apple Uno Products, My Beacon, Gcash, Ron Rose Printing, Isna Canada, Rice Tribe, Makilala Restaurant, Bibis Diner, Palatine Hills Estate Winery, Resort Gin, of course, for emergency needs we have Laydan, palapakan naman natin ang Laydan, and of course, Lexus of Fairview and Sunshine Rentals. A round of applause for all our sponsors today. Thank you very much for helping us, you know, put up this extravagant event right here in Toronto. And of course, Nathan Phillips Square. Maraming salamat po. As I have heard, this is actually the longest and the biggest Filipino festival, not just in Canada, but around the world. So you guys are very lucky. And every year, Mabuhay Festival brings you a very special guest. Excited na ba kayo for that? Okay, I think medyo malayo ako. So, bababa nga ako ngayon. And I'm gonna ask someone, sino kaya sa palagay nyo ang special guest natin this afternoon? Siyempre, ang makakahula ng tama, pwede mo may libreng kiss. Okay lang yun. Ito si Mommy, oh. Alright. Mommy, what's your name?
Juanita?
Juanita. Tayo tayo, Mommy, para makita tayo sa camera. Say hi to Juanita, guys! Juanita, who do you think is our special guest today?
Rachel Alejandro.
Rachel Alejandro. Tama kaya yun? Alright, let's get some pic from this side. Okay, dito naman tayo. Ayan! The same question, I hope you give me the right answer. Alright, let's stand up, Mommy. Ayan, or ano baby pala to? Let's stand up, baby. Hi, what is your name?
May?
May. May, before we proceed, if I might just ask you, where are you from?
Toronto.
You're from Toronto. Alright. And sa Pilipinas, taga saan naman si May?
Manila.
Manila. Do you have any provinces? No. Alright. So May, who do you... Harap tayo dito, ma'am. Ayan. Wag camera shy. Ang ganda-ganda eh. Di ba? Camera shy eh, ano? May, who do you think is our special guest today?
Miss Rachel Alejandro.
Rachel Alejandro. Alright. I'm gonna ask one more. Yung mga nandito naman, dito tayo sa lower box. Alright? Araneta Coliseum to eh. Dito tayo sa lower box. I'm not sure if the camera will get me here. Alright, okay. Of course, I'm not gonna ask you because this is my mom. Hello, Mommy! And I'm so happy that she's able to see me perform here in Canada. You know, for a very long time, she's been here and I've been working my off in the Philippines. Hindi siya nakakanood. Kaya dito, I'm sure you're so excited, Mommy. Say hi to the camera. Ayan. Nagmana daw ako sa'yo, sabi, oh. Alright, pero tanongin muna natin sila dito. Who wants to answer my question? Let's probably have a guy right... The one in yellow, please. All right. Hello. What is your name?
Alvin, sir.
Alvin. Alvin, where are you from?
Edmonton.
Oh, and in the Philippines?
Pangasinan.
Pangasinan! Aba, nag-imas! All right. Alvin, who do you think is performing for us?
Maris Gapal.
Maris, all right. So, I'm sure that everyone's excited. Yes, ma'am. Si Mami talaga. Please. Sige, Mami, what's your name? Daisy. Daisy, who do you think is performing for us today? You just want to have a picture with me? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, yan. Ayun, nag-moment na. All right. Okay, you know what? Before we reveal to you your special guest for this day, I'm gonna call someone really, really important. Sino dito ang taga Mississauga? Meron ba? Ayan. And I believe that Mississauga is very, very close to from where we are today. So this afternoon, Mabuhay Festival wouldn't be possible without this very important person because he helped us out to put up this beautiful event. So we would like to call in the major sponsor for Mabuhay Philippines Festival 2025, City Center Dentistry, which is just right beside Square One. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Ellie of City Center Dentistry.
People, are you ready? Say what, say, are you ready to get steady? Say what, say, are you
Maria.
Okay, Maria, you are a winner. Go ahead, take that. Okay, we gotta get this going quick. Second thing is, who's hungry? Who's thirsty? Okay, the next one, you're gonna get food or drink from one of the vendors. So, yes. I don't know what he said, but I love you too. So for this one, the name of the vendor where we're gonna get free food from, you'll have a voucher to go and eat there or grab something to drink. The name of the vendor is gonna be?
Throwback Ilonggo.
Okay, so Trobo Ilonggo. So, Tropang Ilonggo. I was too busy practicing Magandang Hapon, so I wasn't able to do this. Okay, so for this one, again, same thing. Get your sneakers laced up. Come on up. If you answer this, you will get $50 to spend there on whatever it is that you want. So we mentioned that the office is in Mississauga. You can use your phones for this. If anyone can get the address and then say it into the mic, you get that voucher for food. Okay, so the address for our office. Can you come up?
1 Drive, Ontario, L5B1 and 2.
That's correct. Okay, Sophia, congratulations. Our booth, just come to our booth. It's the one that has all the blue flowers, and we'll take care of you. Okay, one last thing before we go. You guys ready to do one more? This is going to be cash. Yeah, you ready for cash? Yeah? You're ready? You don't know what I'm going to ask. You're ready before I ask? Come up. Okay. Since he was very brave, this is going to be for $100.
Santino Marella.
Okay, my friend, this is not going to be a question. You're going to have to dance. The crowd wants to see a dance. So a very, very short, quick song. Anyone want to choose a song? Otherwise, we're going to pick. Who has any requests?
Tango.
DJ, whatever you hear, you can play. We need 30 seconds.
Macarena, Macarena.
And this is
Trending yan, ha? Ganyan ba yung sa'yo talaga niyan? Baka mag-trending.
Great job. If we get an opportunity, we'll be back. Let's get back to business. Why we're all here is that we are waiting. You're welcome, you're welcome. Okay, so we are waiting. You guys know who we're waiting for? Give me the name. Yes. So, we are fortunate to have with us tonight a Filipino-American platinum record recording artist, award-winning songwriter, concert performer. Do you guys know her most popular song? What's it called? That's right, she's known as the Heartbreak Queen. So, she has hit songs such as Mr. Cupido, K-Tagal, KSP, Nakapagtataka, Bulag sa Katatohanan, and Balang Na. I apologize. Now, she also is an actress, so her roles in hugely successful Manila and Singapore productions of musicals such as Rent, Abbott Cube, Xanadu, Aida, Rock of Ages, Into the Woods, and Monty Python's Spamalot. That was a whole lot easier to say. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause and welcome to the Mabuhay Festival, Miss Rachel Alejandro. Okay, so I think I'm gonna give away another $100. She's coming up.
ang iyong tinitingnan. Di ko maintindihan ano ang gagawin upang ako ang iyong mapansin. Lahat sinusubukan kahit ano na lang. Kung hindi pa rin ka inanabala. Nasa na mga KSP! Kulang sa pansin. Come on, come on! Kulang sa nag-post ako ng video sa Instagram. And I said, look guys, I'm in Toronto. May nag-post, Toronto daw. Okay, sige na. Kumusta na kayong lahat? Na-miss ko kayo. 1 month na since the last time I was here. 1 month na pala. I was here, of course, not everyone here today was at that festival. I brought my film, Song of the Fireflies, to Toronto 1 month ago for the Italian Contemporary Film Festival. Was there anyone here? Is there anyone here today na nakapanood ng film ko? Song of the Fireflies, nung gabi na yan? Ay, wala. Walang nanood. Uy, sold out naman ha. Ay, ito na lang. Siyempre, the elephant in the room, as they say, is that alam niyo namang lahat na iba yung ine-expect nyo ngayong araw na to, di ba? Alam niyo yun, di ba? Na napakagaling, napaka-sexy na young actress. Of course, but because of a medical emergency, you got me. Ito yon. Ang masasabi ko lang, tatapatan ko siya sa kaseksihan nung 90s, nung aking kabataan. Siyempre, nung kumuha sila ng kapalit sa kanya, sabi nila, kailangan yung medyo kaidaran lang niya, ha? Hindi naman kami nagkakalayo ng edad. Wish. Diba? But since you got me, are you ready to have fun with me? Yeah? And ang gusto ko na naman, party people ba ang kababayans dito sa Toronto? Are you ready to party? Alright. Alright. I'd like to take you back on my time machine to a time when this song was #1 on the radio. Naalala niyo ba? Kailangan tumawag pa kayo sa radio station para lang marinig ang mga kanta ko. Diba? Kahit taga ko na hinihintay sa'yo. Sabihin sa'kin ang laman ng puso mo. Ngunit kahit anong gawin, di mo ako pinapansin. Bakit ba? Bakit ba nasasaktan ang puso ko? Hindi ko masabing may gusto ako sa'yo. Kung sana'y kaya kong gawin, di na ako mag-iundi. I want you guys to sing. Kahit at marapat ako'y mapapaliw. Sabihin mo ako'y mahal mo rin. Minamahal kita, higapin mo sana. Pray for God. Ay, dito naman, para dyan sa mga inyo na mga bulag sa pag-ibig. Kailangan ko na mahilig, kailangan bumulong sa aking isip. Sabi nila ikaw ay may ibang mahal. Sabi nila ngayon hindi magtatagal. Okay sa'kin naman isipin, mawawala ka sa aking piling. Kaya't mabuti pa huwag alamin ang totoo. Umiinit din pala dito sa inyo, no? Sabi nga nila, di ba? Sa Pilipinas daw, pag ganitong summer, di ba, iilan lang yung season sa atin, di ba? Buti nga dito sa Toronto. Buti nga dito sa Toronto, di ba, 4 seasons lang talaga, di ba? Kailan ba lumalamig dito? Mga October, ayun. Favorite season ko yun, yung fall. Di ba? Kayo, favorite season ko talaga yung fall. Ayoko yung summer. Ayoko yung basa yung kilikili ko. Mas gusto ko yung parang bangu-banguhan, naka-leather jacket. Yung ganun lang, di ba? Naka-boots. Ayan. Kaya may nakita ko sa Makati Avenue, naka-scarf eh. December na na, pero I'm sorry, wala tayong karapatan sa Manila na mag-scarf. O mag-Ugg boots. Di ba? Wala talaga eh. Sorry, pero pawisan ng paa. Di ba? Oh my God. Oh, yun. Anyway, I hope you're all having a good time. May mga breeze naman pala. Ayan. Para medyo hindi tayo masyadong pawis na pawis. Pero ito yun I'm going to be asking you to sing along with me. And later on, I'm going to make you guys come up here to dance. Okay ba? May mga sasayaw? Magsusumba tayo, ha? Ayan, ready sila. I love it. I love the party people of Toronto. Diba? Okay, for the next song, I know you guys know this one very, very well, and so I'm going to point to you to sing the lyrics later. Okay? So, I really want to hear your singing voices. Okay? This is a song that was from my 3rd album, and it was written by one of my favorite OPM composers of all time. At siya yung napakagaganda ng mga English OPM songs niya. You guys remember Odette Quesada? Odette Quesada wrote some of the best English OPM songs, di ba? Okay, so ito naman ang isa mga paborito ko, and it was my single. I revived this song for one of my earlier albums. Play that music. Here we go. I loved you only in my mind.
Rachel!
Thank you! Hi, Michael!
Hello, Rachel!
Hello,
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Wow, so Rachel, we've seen them dance.
Yes.
And we've heard them sing earlier, but at this point, we would like to play a game with you.
You guys want to play a game? Yeah?
Alright, baka
Alright.
kasi, baka trip to the Philippines yung premyo.
Oy! Ano nga ba premyo?
Mamaya.
Kasali ba ako dyan? Okay.
Mamaya pa yan. Alright, so first and foremost, we'd like to thank you, of course, for being here in Toronto.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Si Rachel, ayan.
Give it up for Mabuhay Philippines Festival going on its 27th year. Wow, 27. So, nag-start pa na sila, baby pa ako.
Tama naman yan.
I
Tama
wish.
naman yan. Alright, so this game is very simple. We all know that Filipinos, they possess a beautiful singing voice. Tama?
That's right.
Sino magagandang boses dito? Taas ang kamay!
Sino mga magaling dito kumanta?
Yung mga toto, ah! Alright, siguro, tanongin muna natin. Sino ang mga taga Luzon? Okay. Sino ang mga taga Visayas? Mga Mindanawans! Okay, sabi nila kasi talaga daw ang mga taga Visayas magagandang boses.
Maganda na yung boses.
Lalo na yung mga taga Cebu, no?
Oo, mga Cebuano, marami, di ba?
Yes. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to ask for 3 lucky singers to join us here on stage. And we are going to ask you to sing an excerpt or a few lines of your favorite OPM.
Ayan. So siguro parang a chorus or something like that. A chorus of your favorite go-to song na OPM, Original Filipino Music, sa karaoke. Di ba kung ano yung, alam ko to, makakanta ko to kahit tulog. Yung gano'n, right?
Tama.
Okay.
So simulan na natin. Of course,
Okay.
ang premyo nito mamaya ko i-announce. And of course, you get the chance to probably have a short duet with a Filipino OPM icon. Malabakan natin once again, Miss Rachel Alejandro.
Thank you.
Alright, so sino gustong sumali dito sa taas? Huwag kang
Ano ba mga
mag-iyak.
pambatok natin dito?
Pagpapagod natin dito. Sige na.
Mga pambatok, mga magaling kumanta. Ako.
Si Mami. Mami, what? Okay, akit na sa stage, Mami. Ayan.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, you can sing. Alright. Halika dito, huwag mo kayo ipahiya, ha? Okay. Siyempre, baka may lalaki naman dyan, siyempre. You know, si Rachel is a daughter of a legend. Ayan. Our late beloved Sir Haji Alejandro. So, I'm sure maraming lalaking magaling din ang boses dito sa Toronto.
Oo nga, meron ba pambatok ang mga boys?
Ang mga boys
Mga
natin.
gentlemen.
Sa labas. Ayan. Meron. Ako, mga nagtataas ang kami. Halika na dito. Kung magaling kumanta, huwag na mahiya. Okay.
Sino? Nahihiya pa
Mukhang
kasi
nahihiya.
eh.
Kaya natawagin na lang natin to. Si Mami
Ay.
Wanseng. Sino? Ituloy nyo na kung sino pinakamagaling dyan.
Ayan.
There. Meron.
Sayang, di ba? May secret prize na malalaman nyo mamaya.
Ayan. Dapat meron na kayo na prepare.
Hello.
In your mind. Alright. Rachel, let's get to know them first.
Yes, so what are your names again? I'm sorry, Juliet. What's your name?
I'm Rebecca.
Hi, Rebecca. Sherry. And?
Evangeline from Italy.
Wow!
Vacationing dito? On vacation, see?
Bellissima.
Can you say something to us in Italian?
Ciao a tutti, buonasera a tutti a Canada.
Okay, so Rebecca, and
Evangeline.
yes, Evangeline, and
And
Sherry,
Sherry.
yes.
Rebecca,
Okay,
Sherry,
Rebecca, Sherry, and
Evangeline.
Evangeline. Okay, so we'll start with Rebecca. Okay, sing maybe kahit yung
Chorus.
yung pinaka-best part ng
Yes.
chorus ng favorite song.
Di maamin ang damdamin na wala na sa ayun. Araw-araw ang damdamin na mayakap kang muli at makin. Ngunit paano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Bakit ko na nasa dami kita naman? At sinabi ko sa'yo na kaya ko imutin ka. Bakit ngayon wala kita?
Alright! Let's give it up for Rebecca!
Love it. Yeah.
Yung emotion
Oo,
song.
punong-puno ng damdamin. Parang merong... It's okay. It happens. Lagi, ako lagi. Reyna ako ng nakakalimutan ng lyrics.
Now we have Cherry. Ayan.
Ayan,
Sige,
Cherry go. May lyrics ka ba sa phone mo?
May cheat side dyan.
Ilan?
Ang kanyang prompter. May prompter.
O sige, unahin muna
si
natin si
Rebecca.
Evangeline.
Evangeline rather.
From Italy. Diba?
Aegis yan eh. Aegis.
Okay, I'm gonna song to you from Aegis, Luha.
Galingan mo ah!
Akala ko ikaw ay aking gusto sa aking paningin. Bakit ko ikaw yakapin, lalago sa dilim. Nais kong mapalapit sa'yo, nais kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, baliwala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapalang kulitan. Ako bala'y nag-iisang hangal, naghahangad ng isang katulad mo. Hindi ko na kailangan, malis ka na sa aking harapan. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na. At ito ang iyong tandaan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo na kahit nasa luha, pagbabayaran mo.
Alright! Ang galing naman, Evangeline.
Nahanap mo na? Ang yung lyrics?
Ready na si Cherry.
Alright, go. Oy, by Miss Cool herself.
Yeah.
Okay, why not? Is this love? Feeling restless inside, wanting you to always be by my side. I don't even get you right on my side. You were in my thoughts so big, and I can't get you right on my side. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Every single day, every single night, every single moment of my life, I wanna spend them all with you. I think I'm in love. Think I'm in love. Think I'm in love with you. Tell me that you care, tell me please, tell me that you also feel the way that I do.
Ayun! Cherry. Mukhang in love ka talaga si Cherry.
Oo, ang
Lamig.
boses.
Parang lalong
Ang lamig ng boses.
Parang
Ginawa ko.
napapaaga ang winter.
Napaaga winter.
Alright. So, at this point, syempre, Rachel, let's find out kung sino ang nanalo sa tatlo in
Yes.
the Filipino way.
Correct.
So, paano to?
Siyempre, cheer kayong lahat. So, we're gonna start with, ano kayo, forward kayo para makita nila kayo. Ayan. So,
Let's
umpisa
begin
natin,
with
Michael.
Rebecca.
Rebecca!
Okay, so,
Palakpakan natin ang Rebecca!
Okay. Isa pa. Rebecca? Now, let's move on to our next contender.
Cherry. Ay, hindi. Nauna pala si, ano. Ayan.
Evangeline. Alright, our bisita from Italia.
Yes.
Evangeline!
Evangeline!
One more. Evangeline!
Grazie daw, grazie. Mille, di ba? Grazie mille. Oh. And Cherry! Everybody for Cherry!
Okay, Cherry. Okay.
Cherry. Okay.
Last. Okay.
Sa
Last na.
para lang talagang malinaw, ha?
Itondo niyo na to, ha? Rebecca! Okay. Para mga 85,000.
85,000.
Okay.
Para maraming kamag-anak dito.
Oo, naku, para naman yan.
Rebecca,
Oo.
pinagdadala mong pamilya dito. Ang dalawa. Aba, okay. Alright, Evangeline from Italia.
Okay. Mga 81,000. 81,000.
Okay. And Cherry!
Okay, ayan. Marami kasi broken hearted eh, so hindi na in love. So mga siguro 75,000 tayo.
Yes.
So
our winner is Rebecca! Yes, thank you so much. Thank you guys. Ay, sobrang game kayo. Maka-picture daw siya.
yes, picture mo na.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Ayan.
Thank you so much. Okay, ayan. Selfie syempre.
Alright.
Okay, thanks guys.
Selfie. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Ayan,
Rebecca.
picture muna.
Our winner.
Picture naman sila. Thank you so much.
Alright.
Alright. Thank you so much. So Rebecca will receive $50 worth of voucher sa kahit saang food stall natin today here in the Food Square. Brought us by Dr. Ali of City Center Dentistry.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ali.
And of course, we would like to thank everyone. And of course, Ms. Rachel Alejandro. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Toronto. And I give you back the one and the only, the iconic, Ms. Rachel Alejandro.
Alright, gusto niyo pa ba? So, sino ba dito, gusto kong tanongin, sino ba dito yung mga, di ba, meron tinatawag noon na kilabot na mga kolehiyala. Sino ba mga fans ng kilabot ng mga kolehiyala nung araw? Ni Haji. Di ba? As far as I know, the last concert that my dad had here with the Hitmakers was, from what I understand, was 2017. That was the last time he performed here in Toronto. But he is with us in spirit. And so tonight, I would like to sing 2 songs. And this first song, of course, is a song na pinamana pa sa akin ng aking ama. And I would be so honored if you would sing that beautiful song with me. Sasamahan niyo ba ako? Okay, alright. And of course, the second song naman ay ang awitin that I co-wrote. I wrote the lyrics at siya naman ang nagsulat ng music, ang aking matalik na kaibigan na si Ding Dong Abenzaga. Bakit yung iba parang hindi pa naka-move on? Kasi ako move on na. Ang pinangarap ko lang noon eh, dahil diba, love team kami noon ni Ding Dong. Ang pinangarap ko lang eh, sana malik naman ako kay Papa Ian Veneracion. Pero wala talaga eh. Walang nakaisip, joke. Anyway, this song, the second song, is our, of course, composition together, and it won the Song of the Year at the Awit Awards, which is the equivalent of the Grammy Awards, diba? Sa atin, sa Philippines. And it was the Song of the Year nung taong 19. Basta. Okay, alright, play that music. Ang pamana ng Alejandro family sa inyong lahat. Walang tigil ang gulo sa Maraming salamat. I feel like my dad is smiling down at all of us from heaven today. He is with us always, and every time na kumakanta ako, feeling ko parang nandito pa rin siya sa stage with me. Kasi di ba, we actually had a concert here noong 20 years ago. Nandito sa Toronto, ewan ko kung may nakapanood sa inyo yan. Siguro wala na naman. Pareho ng movie. Anyway, okay. So, di ba? Kasi yan yung mga dahilan kung yan dalawang kanta rin yung dahilan bakit ako tinawag na Queen of Heartbreak Songs. Nung narinig ko yan, nung binansagan ako niyan, di ba? Kailangan ko na ng koleala. Ako, Queen of Heartbreak Songs. Parang, ha? Parang ayoko naman yata. Parang lahat na lang ba ng mga kanta ko, puro na lang malungkot. Pero, today, magsasaya po tayo, okay? Tuloy ang party! Tuloy! You guys wanna dance? Okay, kanina I mentioned na magpapaakit ako dito ng mga Zumba dancers. Mga Zumba dancers. Sino ba gusto sumayaw dito? Very, very, very simple. And I'm going to be joined here by our friends, Thea, ayan, we, and Marco. Ayan, come up here guys. Diba? The young ones. Yes, please, please, I love it. Diba? Very, very summery si ate. What's your name? Bella. Bella. Okay, who else wants to come up? Come on. What about the PIBC people? Tita Helen, nasa ka na? Ayan! Okay, I love it. Ang ganda ng mga outfits. I love the summery outfits. Hello. What's your name?
I'm the ensemble dancer.
Oh, ayan na. Ayun naman pala. Professional. Ikaw? Mary Chris. Ayan. Okay, come up here. Okay. Tatanggalin natin ito ang madapatan. Okay. Alright. Yes, please. What's your name? Rem. Okay, let's do it. Let's play that music. Here we go. Alright. Okay, simple. Kayo din, gawin nyo dyan. Okay? Kahit dyan lang, sumayaw kayo. Magpapawis kayo. Come on! Yeah, come on, Toronto!
You guys having fun? You guys want to dance some more? Okay, this next one is one of my favorite numbers to do with my dad. And it brings us back to his era, the 70s, all the way to my era, which is technically the 90s, up until the 2000s. And this was the music that we grew up with dancing to. Okay, so kahit nandiyan lang kayo, I would love for Toronto to dance with me! Okay, this is what I call retro dance. Here we go. don't wait. Now, all the might and the jump right. Jump to the rhythm, jump, jump to the rhythm, jump. And I need to survive, need to live the next, to take a thing, take a chance. Come on and dance, die, fast, don't wait, make the world. Move. Well, baby, the music can't control. Let the rhythm alive, want to rock it. Let the rhythm move you. I wanna go high, yeah. Boom. Ice, baby. Everybody dance now. Woman Gangnam Style. Thank you. Thank you, everybody in Toronto. Thank you. Thank you so much, PIDC. And before I go, yes, hi. Before I go, kailangan mo. You guys want more? Okay, meron pa naman talaga. Kayo naman, alis ko lang kayo. We would like to acknowledge all of our sponsors. Without their support, important events such as the Mabuhay Philippines Festival would not be possible. We would like to thank TD Bank, George Brown College, City Center Dentistry, Graceful Essence, Jollibee, Skyflakes, WFG, SMDC, College of Makeup, Art and Design, Philippine Airlines, Air Canada, Remitly. 1 second na. Checkin ko lang kung totoo nang meron pa. Okay. Diba? Wala daw. But I will sing a cappella for everybody because I love you guys! Before we go, I don't want to forget anybody. Air Canada, Remitly, UMac, CRD College of Healthcare, Robinson's Land Corporation, Easy or EasyY Remit, Katinko, Starbucks, Luminous Financial, Apple Uno Products, My Beacon, Gcash, Ron Rose Printing, ISNA or ISNA Canada, Rise Tribe, Makilala Restaurant, Billy's Diner, Palatine Hills Estate Winery, Resort Gene, Laydan, L-A-E-D-A-N, Laydan, Lexus of Fairview and Sunshine Rentals. Give it up for them! All right. Okay, all right. I don't want to go without singing this beautiful song, of course. The theme for loving everything that is Filipino, and especially original Filipino music. Originally, of course, written by our national artist, Ryan Cayabyab, and sung by Haji Alejandro. Sing it with me! Kay ganda ng ating musika. Here we go.
Heto na, inyong
on this Saturday night. Did you guys have fun? Don't go away, marami pa. I'm gonna just change. Magpapowder ako ng nose. And of course, babalik ako for Francis Rivera Fashion Show. Okay, see you there. Alright. Crowd shot daw tayo, crowd shot. Okay, guys. Wait. Kita ba sila? Okay. Alright. Pero nandito pa rin kayo. So maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik sa ating beloved Rachel Alejandro. Now, marami pa tayong surprises. So, if you are hungry, feel free to visit ang ating mga booth. Our sponsors are here. So, make sure to grab yourself some snacks. However, I would like to also announce first our sponsor, which is Philippine Airlines. And we want to invite you to buy your raffle tickets now at the PIDC booth. Left side, dito sa stage natin. And then 3 tickets for $10, also 1 for 5, plus you get a surprise gift. Gusto niyo bang manalo ng ticket all the way to the Philippines? I know, ako din. So, your grand prize, pag kayo nabunod sa ating raffle draw, is you're gonna get a round trip economy airfare.